Hello, welcome back to Roy's Workshop. In today's episode, we're messing around with ball joints. Ball. So you catch up with us a few days after when we last filmed. Philip has been to Jeddah and back. I've had the weekend, and I didn't work on the car because the weather was less than ideal. So we had severe storms here yesterday and roads were flooded. It's quite good fun, not for working outside. So today we're hustling a bit, although we did get some new bolts. Where's it show you shiny nuts? Ooh. Yeah, one of the pickups was that this steering box, the relay box, wasn't secure, and yeah, that was fair enough. Most of the bolts were slack. So as the weather was pretty crap last night, we went into town, grabbed 2 sets, one for Dave and one for Priscilla, so we can change that. Philip's working on that whilst I've been, look at the concentration. Naturally, because of the winch being welded onto the chassis, trying to get onto the bolt in the bottom, you've covered up this access hole here, which is a moment of sheer genius. So Phil's messing on with that. There's one at the bottom of here, and there's one on the bottom on the front, just down there ish. So whilst Phil's doing that, I've managed to abuse our fantastic tuning fork, made of the highest Chinesium metals, and I've quickly swapped over. I say quickly, this one, everything came apart beautifully, and then obviously this one was a little bit of a fight, so I broke out the vice. Still got its plastic on. So these are all done now, which is great. And now I'm gonna I'm gonna give Phil a hand, get that bolted up because he's sort of in the way of me, and then we can throw the tie rods on, give it a vague alignment, and then we can start looking at the bushes, because we have Super Pro bushes, but I need to clean the lens. There we go, is that better? So yeah, we'll do that. We'll get this built back up, and then before we get aligned, we've got a full set of Super Pro bushes, and that was one of the pickups, so we'll do that as well, and then hopefully get it to the MOT centre this week. It must be this week, because was it a week today?
Yeah, it's a week today.
So it was a week today. It was a week ago whenever I posted the video that we took it for MVPI, and I've got another week to get it ready and then send it. I've been lubricating all of the bolts that need to come out. Generally, touch wood, everything's alright here. It just, you crack it and it comes off, unless it's on a steering box on an FJ40 hidden. So I'll shut up, I'll give Phil a hand, I'll catch up with you in a moment. Oh man. So my plan is
what you've not seen is our plan.
Yeah, is to wrap this wire around here, keeping vaguely in the threads. Is to do this, and then hopefully be in a position to pull it through the hole like so. Thank you. I'm using this handy dandy scribe.
Bought from our favourite hardware store.
Oh mate, oh mate, oh mate, oh mate. I'm gonna change sides so I can't accidentally hook it. Philip! Philip! It's there.
Just the tips.
It's just there. I can see it. But now the wire's stopping it.
Start unwrapping it.
I'm trying. Oh, Philip.
The screwdriver fit.
Shag nasty?
Who's that?
No idea. Clearly a fan. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. By Jove, he's fucking done it!
Right, you get another water.
Hang on. I know, that's what I'm like. What's that? You don't know. I'm quite scared right now.
Don't push it.
Turn the music down so I can concentrate.
That's tight.
Go on then. Just gently. Oh yeah, get on.
Down here. If you're trying to do something standard like I'm
fucking passing in here. Can't see what your issue is.
I'm left-handed.
What the fuck? Just, you're taking too much of a bite.
Can't do left-handed. That's called Rory's workshop, not Phil's workshop. Phil don't do
Phil does problems and filming. Phil the camera. I was going to say, could you shake the steering to see if we made it any better? But it's not connected to anything.
You can try.
We actually don't know the strength of these bolts. Because naturally they don't have anything written on them.
That's tight.
That's fine, mate. There we go.
Until it rattles off.
So that one's tight.
Yeah.
That one's tight.
Two tops are tight.
Two toppers are tight. Let's put the other things on. 3 minutes 50 seconds it took us to do that. Because we never practice. It's on. Everything's loosely assembled. So we best loosely put it on, haven't we?
If it's loosely assembled, then loosely assembled.
So it's all together. We've got it all nice and well. This one's split pinned up. That one isn't. None of them are split pinned up. They're all tight. We're going to go and have it tracked. Philip's filling up the water from beforehand when this was a 4.2 litre kettle. I've just checked because in the next episode we're going to be changing the bushes in and I've just taken this plate off to have a look to make sure that they are just plain bushes. There's no, they're not inserted or pressed in, which is good. So I'm going to drop this down, and that's about it for today. I think we're going to turn this from a side light to an indicator, and then tomorrow going to go around, lube up all the bolts that need to come out. Tomorrow, separate video for doing the Super Pro bushes, because Super Pro are fantastic, and that's what we're going to do. That's what's happening.
It's exciting.
So we'll get this on the ground, we'll get the soldering kit out, repair whatever's going on down there slightly better, and that's about it, isn't it? There's no else.
That's it for today, yeah.
And hopefully we can do the whole car tomorrow.
Bushes tomorrow, all of them. Job done.
And then get it tracked.
Tracked, tested, passed.
Ice container.
Job's good.
Yeah. Right.
Coming to a port near you. Oh.
Let's get it on the ground. Tidy up a bit. No. Farm jacks. Yeesh. Although I've lubricated this one and it seems to be working a bit better. Always a plus.
Film.
So as the night's drawing down, we're also winding down. We have fitted reverse, no, rear view mirror. Full Saudi spec, not square. Just
never going to get used.
Pointing wherever. No.
Yeah, sure.
But a few weeks ago we bought, because these are the horns on Dave. Yeah, they don't look great. I have a similar version of this, except mine are green. And for safety reasons, we're going to upgrade them. It comes with a nice 3-pronged relay. I'm going to mount these up and use Priscilla as the guide, because I can't quite remember which wire goes where. I presume this yellow one is the feed. We're going to look at this. Probably we're going to well, I'm going to chase it back, because my horn comes through this loom and then just hooks in nicely. I'm going to mount it onto here, which is where it is on Priscilla, so you can still see the VIN plate, and this is where the heater would be if we had heating and or cooling, which, you know, maybe. So we're all going to get on with that. And yeah, let's see what's under here. Badmin. Oh yeah! Twist and tape. Right, let's extend this shit. I had to show you this. That's where we cut at the horn.
The twist and tape. There's
another twist and tape.
Bare wire twist and tape.
What's down there? We can't quite see. Where's it come out, Philip? Oh, good, there.
No, that's not it, no.
No? Come on, Phil. This cable's nice and brittle as well. What? Oh, good, yeah. Good.
Where was that one?
So it's twisted and taped there. It's red. Is that a relay already? Is that a relay feed? If I give you that, put your finger on the relay and see if it clicks.
Yep.
Oh, mint! You know what that means, don't you? We can run one cable from there all the way to the horns. We don't need that 3-way bloody thing. Sweet.
Sure.
What size is that ant? Flying ant. I'll go get some cable. What colour cable would you like? I have black, red and yellow. We should replace it yellow for yellow, shouldn't we?
Yeah. We can go back to this red one. This red looks nice.
Oh, do you want red?
Yeah, I'd follow it. Just keep it red.
Do you want to go back to the bulkhead and round, or through the front again? Doesn't make any odds really.
Makes no difference now.
We're filming as well. So we're going to finish this one here because it's dark and it's time for tea. We finished the horn install with these 2 massive klaxons. We didn't really film what the horn was like before, but Phil has one in his hand, and we can do this. This is how loud the original horn was, give or take. You get the idea. Simple, something like that. Phil, do you want to do the honneurs? This is how loud these 2 are. Hopefully they should be able to hear us. Phil's run it across the bulkhead and down here, cable tied it in. This will get neatened up when we rewire it anyway, and I've left that long because Saudi. So yeah, we'll end this one here. In the next episode, which we're filming hopefully tomorrow, we'll be fitting Super Pro bushes, so we can get that done, get them out of the way. So there we go. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Take care. Bye now.